Hello folks, my name is Kevin and I'm the senior PC technician at Don't Stop Computer Services, but I'm also the Angry Tech. The Angry Tech is here to bring light to some of the stuff that is going on in the computing world as seen through our eyes. Everything that's said here is based on opinion, but most of that opinion is based on experience and fact. No names will be mentioned, just certain situations, and whether it be a he or a she involved in it or a corporation involved in it. Some corporations will be mentioned by name, but only in the light that shows that they have been wronged or certain things have been going on. And that we're not trying to change the world. What we're trying to do is get other people to understand that in this world, in computing and IT, not everybody is trying to rip you off. We'd like to say thank you to Don't Stop Computer Services for sponsoring the Angry Tech. I like to personally say thank you as a PC senior technician at Don't Stop Computer Services LLC that's based in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I'd like to thank my wife, Tina, who is the manager of Don't Stop Computer Services. I'd like to thank my son, oldest son Kevin, my middle daughter, Justina, my middle son Raymond, and my youngest baby, Elena, who is actually the boss of the whole household, but you know how that goes with 8-year-olds. So let's get into it. I'd like to say thank you to my brother, Mr. Anthony R. Haskins of Clean Sweep Property Care. Thank you for your wisdom and your insight in my endeavors to become a technician. He is a part of the crew that have made me the man that I am today, and I'd like to thank him over the internet. God bless you and your family. Give my love to everyone. Take care. First, I'd like to address as the Angry Tech that everything here is going to be opinion. It's my opinion. That's the way I see it. And everybody can have a constructive criticism. If you want to contact the Angry Tech because you have a question or you want to make some comments or something, that's great. I'm all open for constructive criticism. But if you're going to email me with hate mail and this and that and all that stuff, I'm going to delete it. But I'm going to let you know, just because you do that behind a closed door doesn't mean you can't be found. If I got to go to an ISP server, I will find you. And it will not be pretty. So please show me respect, the respect that I give these people out here on the net, the respect I give people in my business, and the respect that I give to people at my other places of employment and things of that nature. I am all for corrective criticism, so if you have a comment or question, please be sure to email the Angry Tech at domestopcomputerservice.com. That'll be theangrytech at domestopcomputerservices.com. First thing I like to address is professionalism. Professionalism is a learned trait. That means businesses learn it, people in business learn it, professionals learn it. People on the everyday street who work in some type of environment will learn some type of professionalism form or the other. When a person is yelling at another person for a service that has been rendered to them, they are basically acting out with their emotions without the benefit of intellect. What that means is you are ranting and raving of a person who has no educational value whatsoever. And most of the time what you're doing is just showing how simple you really are. Folks, you have to have a calm head when dealing with computer problems, technicians, or anything. You know that if you are calm, you can think better, get your thoughts more across in an understanding way that that technician or registry person or whoever is representative is going to be able to understand what you're trying to get across. Yelling and screaming, cussing, and calling this person names just makes you look like a jackass. Then what's even funny is you put yourself on YouTube screaming at somebody and cussing at them so everybody can see your face. That's a person who has no intellect or intelligence whatsoever. Education is there, folks. Use it. When you talk to anybody at Don't Stop Computer Services, they will give you an intelligent answer and an intelligent response. If Don't Stop Computer Services services your computer, and for some reason it doesn't work right, screaming at a technician is not going to get the problem resolved. and you can be mad all you want. The Better Business Bureau and all these other agencies are there to help you, but these people are not going to do anything. They're not going to fix it because you're just as wrong as maybe the technician might have been in Dome Star. We here at Dome Star will professionally apologize and do whatever it takes to right the wrong. But if you're going to scream and cuss at any of the technicians at Dome Star Computer Services, I'm going to tell you now, on YouTube, you will be ignored. Stop yelling and screaming at somebody. That doesn't make it right. We need to try to figure out what was wrong. If you're doing it intentionally, it will be known that you are. Customers do not have the right all the time. It's just that fact. Maybe some of these retailers out here say that because they want your money, no matter what. You don't have the right to go into places like Office Max, Staples, Best Buy, and all that stuff because you're having a bad day and start screaming at, yelling at somebody because you're a moron. 95% of the problems that happen with computers are not with the technicians, but they're with you. If you take a moment to see what you're doing and figure out what's going on with your computer and give that technician a better diagnosis to try to help him troubleshoot your computer, things will go a lot better. If you're an IT technician or a professional, supposed to be professional, and you come into a place like that, if the guy asks you or the girl asks you if there's anything I can help you with, just say no, everything is fine. But you, as a supposed to be technician of IT and PC maintenance and things of that nature, just informs the person that you're an IT specialist and you don't need no help. Well, trust me, you have Microsoft certified engineers, administrators, Cisco networkers, and all kinds of people out there who have a lot more brains than you do are still in the books, increasing their knowledge of their trade. Just because you get one little class at the community college and you automatically think you're an IT specialist, well, you're wrong. Learn your trade, learn how to talk to people. Those people in those particular jobs are there to help you make a better decision, to help your client to better use their resources. You coming in here buying the cheapest crap you can find, so you think that they have to service, you have to get you to service it. You don't buy a warranty on a product so you can keep your job. You buy a warranty on a product to help them from having to spend more money on that product. That's what your job is. That's what ticks me off the most, is you come in there using somebody else's money, you buy the most cheapest crap, and then you turn around and say, I don't need your help, to the specialist that's standing there trying to help you. But then you take this product back to them, and because it's not under warranty, they end up having to spend more money. So are you being an effective IT person to them? No, you're not. So pull your head out, realize that that is somebody else's resources that you're using, and use it to the wise. Help them people save their money and give them the best quality service you can as an IT specialist. Period. That's the bottom line, folks. That's what you're supposed to do. And if you guys who work for these companies got to read from a script, go learn a little bit about the job you're doing. Go take a computer class so you can help somebody on the other end that doesn't know what you're talking about. Help these people to understand so this company can better serve these other people as a resource. That's what warranties are for, so people can call you. You got these big companies hiring these people who can't even speak English. Come on, folks. Let's get with the picture here. Your job is to help people. Your job is to help support the product that they have bought because they believe in your company. So do it the right way. Help them do it. That's what you're supposed to do. That's what you need to do. Be the professional the way it used to be. It's not all about the money. It's about helping people. This economy needs people to help them. So help them. And stop acting like I'm too good to do my job or I'm an IT guy because I had a certain class. Come on, man. It took me 18 years to get to where I'm at to be able to help people. And I still don't know it all. But I tell you what, as a senior technician, I'm going to use every resource available to help my customers no matter what. And you should do it too. Doesn't matter how many stores you open. All right, folks. That Angry Tech is angry now. So if you have any comments or questions, please email the Angry Tech at Dome Star Computer Services. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the next show. Thank you and have a good evening.